And we look at the model they've done. The first thing that Vodafone did was they modeled best practice. What does great look like in a sales process? They then found the best salespeople they could across the organisation, and they captured that best practice. We as an organisation then work with them to make that concise, to amplify it, and to use our visualization services to make that as interesting as it can be. We then structure that inside the Fuse platform in YouTube or Spotify style playlists and put the entire organisation through that great knowledge, testing them and tracking them just as we would have done in a traditional Scorn course. But on the third level, we're then allowing the organisation to engage in the conversations around that content. So store managers throughout the country are capturing great examples of individuals explaining how they've applied that knowledge from that formal training to it. But the great thing about it is because all of the content in the formal and the social is bite-sized, everything is designed to be snacked on. So we're seeing up to 50% of learning activity happening outside of work hours because people are choosing to go back to things that are either interesting because they're social or quick to get to because they need the answer right there and then. At the next level, Vodafone are using Fuse observational assessment to allow store managers to model an individual performance against great and tracking every step of the way. That information provides insights to allow the store manager to have great coaching conversations, which are also tracked within inside Fuse. All of this together, for the first time, allows Vodafone and other organisations to actually get reporting analytics across the whole spectrum of the Kirkpatrick model. Whereas traditional reporting is very focused just on who went through a course, Vodafone get that, but more importantly now, they're seeing who are continuously engaged in learning every day. So whose behaviours are improving and how do they help others improve that behaviour? But then they're able to actually match all of those three levels to actually sales data and actually directly see the impact that learning is actually having on performance.